In this video, I'll go over the resume page and how to edit it. So I just logged in. I'm going to click on mobile and desktop sites. I'm going to click on the one digital business card demo that I have here. And now here are all the pages for the digital business card on my right. And what we're going to do in this video is add a resume button to the bottom of the icon bar. So we need to find the resume page over here on the left. So here it is right here. It's called resume version. I'll click on that. If you look at the card over here on the right, if you scroll down, you'll see the resume information. This is just filler text, but you would replace this with your information. This is just to give you an idea what you might want to put in there. This would be personal information like your name. You can write about yourself here. You can add a portfolio with images and descriptions with titles, or you can have a separate portfolio page. And again, this is just a little idea of how you could format this. You can change this resume profile picture with your own or delete it entirely. So to switch it out with your own picture, you would hover around the picture here and click right here in the red block. Now you could do it this way, but I don't recommend doing that until you become familiar with the platform. Hover over this red bar above his head and click on that. Now scroll down and there's the picture. We're going to replace this picture with yours, with a demo picture that I have. So I'm going to click on this icon that looks like a picture. I'm going to click on that. Here I click on this button, which is the source button. The first thing that appears is a window that shows all the images that are already been uploaded. So I need to upload one from my hard drive. So I'm going to click this button here that says Upload Manager. I'm going to click the green Add Files button. I'm going to want to upload one of these pictures. I'm going to do this image right here. It tells us the size there, 340 by 360. Okay, we'll double click on this one, or you can click the open button on the bottom. There's the picture. Next, you need to make sure you hit the start button. That starts the upload process. Okay, it's been uploaded. So now I want to click the back button over here. And there's the picture. It's now part of the online gallery of images that I've uploaded. So I'm going to click on that. These fields appear. If you want, you can enter a description and an alt tag for the images, but you don't have to. So I'm going to click Insert. It inserted the URL of the image that's on the server. Now I'm going to click on Save. And over here there's two fields that show the size of the image, just in case you needed to change that. This little lock here indicates that if you were to change one of these, it would maintain its ratio. If you click on this, it'll unlock it so that if you make a change here, the image will wind up being stretched. So you probably wouldn't want that, so you shouldn't even mess with that. So I'm going to click the Save button, and there's the image that we just popped in. So let's delete this one. I'll click right on top of the image that I want to delete. I'll click the delete button. Now we have an issue that it's moved over to the right. That's a very simple thing to fix. You just click on the image and then click on the center button right here. And now it's in the center. Now we'll click on Save. And there you have it. We've replaced the default picture with this picture. And that basically was a quick overview of how to edit the resume page. Just like all the other pages, they're really simple to update because all you do is have to switch out the information with your information. If we were to go back to the main resume page here, you can actually just go into each one of these, investigate them, and switch out any information with your information, if you wanted to do it that way. Basically, the templates have already been made for you, so you can easily just compare what's here and just switch it with your information or add more information. Here's some buttons. That would be these buttons here. Delete them if you want by clicking the red button over here. These are the list items we looked at earlier. If you notice, over here we have one called Contact Me. When we click on this, you may get an error message that the widget is not available. That's because this particular widget is part of the Forms Builder add-on. So if you didn't subscribe to that package, that will not show. Otherwise you would have seen like a contact form in here, which would have been this Contact Me widget right here. This is different from the contact form that you do have access to. This is the free form version of the widget that allows you to create all types of different forms. One thing that we have not yet done is to add an image, or a icon rather, to the bottom of the icon bar for the resume page. So let's do that. So on the Pages tab over here, I'm going to click all the way here on the bottom. I'm going to click on Icon Bar. Next, I'll click on the purple button that says Add an icon to the icons bar. I'll click from this drop-down box to select the type of link that icon should have. It's going to be an internal page, which is called Existing Page of this site. So I'll click on that. From this drop-down box where it says Link Destination, I'm going to select the resume. Here it is right here, resume version is what it's called. I want the link to open in the same window, so I'm going to leave this. I'm going to find an icon, so I'm going to click here. And I guess a resume should probably look like a letter, maybe? So I'll type in letter. Nope. How about note? How about resume? Nope. How about we just look through these? We could do maybe this. Here, let's do something funny. Here's an eyeball. I'm going to click that. And here it is. We just inserted it. You can also drag and drop images from your hard drive if you have your own icons that you would like to use. And you would drop those in here, or you would click on the browse button to browse for your own icon on your hard drive. And this is where we enter the title that goes under the icon. So I'll put resume and I'll click save. And here it is here. We got the icon with the eyeball and it says resume underneath it. When we click on this, it takes us to the correct page that we just updated, or could have updated. And that's it. Hope this helped. Thanks.